We haven't met them yet.
For technical and all. The 9th to 15th March, we have developed, we are taking part in this competition, and as part of the competition we have developed this micro air vehicle, unmanned ground vehicle, which you can see here. This unmanned ground vehicle, as the name itself indicates, there is no driver in it. It is completely automated. This we have just converted a battery powered vehicle into an autonomous vehicle. We have developed the required control systems for this to make it autonomous. Basically how it works is, when we normally we capture the images using a fixed micro air vehicle, video images we catch, we mosaic these images. From the mosaic images we convert a road map. So from the road map coordinates we feed it to a microcontroller. The microcontroller in turn will control the steering of the vehicle, speed of the vehicle, and it moves from one place to another place on its own. If anything goes wrong, we have some safety measures also, like if there are any obstacles coming here, obstacle avoidance transducers we have provided, both ultrasonic as well as we have used a new concept called optic flow. So based on if there is an obstacle, the optic flow, this camera will detect this obstacle and it will transfer those information to the microcontroller, which in turn will take action to avoid this obstacle. So these kind of vehicles are very useful, where if there is a danger involved, we are not we do not want to lose any life as such. So in such places we can program and we can send a vehicle to wherever such dangers are involved. So I think this kind of vehicle find a lot of applications, and probably this is a first step in that direction.
Future of this vehicle?
In the future, it all depends upon what's going to be the future. Probably we have not yet perfected the art completely. We need to work much more. I think we need to develop better transducers and a better way of controlling the speed, controlling the steering and all such kind of a thing. It all depends upon what the mission requirements are. Based on the mission requirements, probably we can add many more better technologies we can develop, and we can improve this vehicle. At right now, it's very difficult for me to say what's going to be the future of this vehicle. Is it going to be for common man? I don't think it is for a common man. It is more for the security purpose. These vehicles are very useful. Probably in manufacturing industries, they can think of using. Yeah.
This is the first of its kind in India?
I'm not really aware of that, whether it is first of its kind. But I think for us, as far as we are now these concepts are unmanned guided vehicles concepts are coming out. So there are guided vehicles, what we can call it as automated guided vehicles, AGVs and all those things, but they are tracked control. But this kind of control, I think it is somewhat very new. Yeah. All right.
Sir.
Hello, my name is Dr. S.R. Shankapal. I am the director of MS Ramaya School of Advanced Studies, and we come from Bangalore. As a part of International Micro Air Vehicle Flying Competition, so this, what you can see here, this intelligent unmanned ground vehicle has been developed by the team of engineers from MS Ramaya School of Advanced Studies. This unmanned ground vehicle has two parts. One is the hardware part of it, that is designing the vehicle itself, which is a battery powered vehicle. This has been designed to meet the specific purpose. And another part is the electronic control system. This electronic control system controls the steering, so that you can control the direction of the vehicle. It controls the acceleration of the vehicle, and moreover, it works based on a program that is fed to the microcontroller. Here we have used a simple microcontroller called a PIC microcontroller. Normally what will happen, if at all we want to move this vehicle in a particular terrain where there is a lot of danger involved, first of all we obtain the terrain map using video images. We convert the video images into a terrain map. From the terrain map, we convert into a coordinate graph. These coordinates are fed to this microcontroller. And as per the coordinates, the microcontroller will control the various controls here, particularly motors, and thus acceleration, direction, and other things are controlled. By chance, the vehicle goes out of control, it is possible to stop the vehicle from a distance of 10 kilometers using Wi-Fi system. So this kind of vehicle is basically useful where human life is in danger. We do not want to lose a driver, first, like particularly terrorist activities are involved. Probably you would like to use a ground vehicle. In such places, this is going to be a very useful one. Okay, there are automated guided vehicles being used in manufacturing industry. This vehicle is somewhat different from that. This is not a tracked vehicle. This is a programmed vehicle. Probably like we can develop better technologies depending on the requirements of the mission. So here in this particular computation, certain mission requirements were specified. As per those mission requirements, we have developed this vehicle. Thank you.
Stop.